Hi guys, it's me, your Ate Ace, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. As you can see guys, meron akong pinaplano in my Minecraft world. So, actually, meron pero matagal-tagal pa yung plano na yon. But for now, I will be finding an obsidian for my biggest plan. Ay, kidding. So, yun lang guys. So, kung I will be starting a storytelling again. Storytelling. As you can see, guys, this video is recorded when my first year college is not starting yet. But now that I am starting to tawag niyan, going in college and studying in our lesson. So, hindi na po ako makakapag-prioritize na makapag-video or makapag-grind sa Minecraft or sa Roblox. So, as you can see guys, it's okay for me. Pero, I don't know sa inyo dahil kayo ang mas nanonood sa video ko. Pero, hindi ko maipapangako na makakapag-content agad ako, pero sana pagbalik ko ay suportahan nyo pa rin ako. As you can see guys, maglalagay po ako ng bed dito as for emergency. And nakikita niyo naman na my first
you can only sleep at night and during thunderstorms.
Very busy talaga guys, and actually first semester pa lang at hindi pa hindi pa nag 2 months, pero mahirap na po yung pinapagawa. Pero okay lang dahil it is a part of the challenge of our life, and if we will conquer or surpass it, we will be graduating. Kidding. So hindi pa nga talaga sure kung makakapag-graduate ako kasi I am not intelligent enough to pass college. Kidding. So hindi naman talaga importante kung ikaw ay higher IQ or nasa tawag niyan, I don't know anong tawag nun, pero yes, average student, it's okay because we are just learning. In my part, I am still slow at guessing a math equation, I mean math solving in our math subject, but it is okay because I have a classmate that teaching me, and sometimes I teach them when I know the answer. And also, nandito na tayo sa pinakababa guys ng and we will find an obsidian, but this is the hardest battle of my life, that going to the cave, because I cannot sure that I can survive here because it is dangerous. The dangerous way of finding obsidian, and that is our title for today's video. And it is not scripted because I recorded it when I am in the game. So as you can see, lots of zombie is spawning in the cave, but actually guys, you can see that I am preparing for the battle and giving myself a protection, and also I will build or put an emergency chest, and also I will build a small storage here. So also my my gamit is malalagay ko ng walang kahirap-hirap at mababalikan ko pa. As you can see, merong diamond. Habang ako ay naglalagay ng torch, ay may diamond. So, I get the diamond. Kung napapansin nyo, bakit meron akong diamond, is actually, diamond pickaxe is actually, nag-grind po ako ng offline since yung hindi pa nag-start ang school ng first year college ko. So, here it is, napasabak naman ako sa mga zombies, creeper at skeleton. So, nandyan po sa taas yung zombie, saka creeper at skeleton, pero habang tumatagal ay parang hindi ko na kinakaya ang challenge na ito. Pero, magsisikap pa rin akong makuha ang first obsidian at yung mga susunod na obsidian. So, narito naman ako sa cave, kumakain ng bread. So, as you can see, nagugutom kasi yung aking character. Pagkatapos kong naglagay, kumain, nilagay ko na ang mga gamit na importante at mga gagamitin ko sa aking lalo na ang first diamond ko, never ever ko yang i-stay sa aking inventory, in my personal inventory. So, dapat ilalagay natin lahat dito sa large chest para hindi mawala at just in case na mamatay ako dito, mamatay ako dito sa game, ay meron pa akong mahuhut-hut na mga gamit at pwede pa rin ako makapagiganti sa mga mobs. Ngayon, nagpe-prepare naman ako ng mga boats para pang-trap sa mga creeper mobs at saka creeper. Skeleton. So, as you can see, mapapasabak na naman ako sa larong ito at pwede kong ikamatay ang pagpasok sa paano na lang kung na-trap ka in real life dito? Paano ka makakasurvive sa ganitong uri ng buhay? So, hindi ko alam. Yun ang hindi ko alam, guys. So, as you can see, madami talaga tayong nagawang boat dito na pwede nating maging shield as emergency. And actually, guys, I am grinding in Grow a Garden, but as you can see, I have a storytelling there, and wait for my upload for that and watch it. Why I can't make many contents for my upcoming upload because what it is. So here it is, guys. As you can see, there is a opponent here, and my opponent is a zombie, and here in this part, maybe in this part I am dead because so many zombie chasing me. Wow. I have a long hair. Wow, that's very good. And here it is, guys. While running, so many skeleton punching me with arrow, but I can't fight them all because I am trapped and I am cornered by them. So now I will be finding a way to get out of here. I don't know where I can find a way, but in this part I am actually dead because as you can see, there are so many of them, and now here it is, and you see I am dead, guys. So I'll respawn and I will get a revenge. Kidding. So I will get my things. So actually, guys, and getting my things is a very dangerous. On I get my boots. So here it is. Hopefully I will not die there. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Yeah. There it is, and I will get that my thing. Where is my thing? There it is, my thing. As you can see, I am collecting this, guys, and I have there a boat. We will put a boat there. So as you can see, dito na nga banda ay hindi ko na malayan, napuputukan pala ako ng creeper ulit. So ayun, naputukan ako ng creeper sa likuran ko dito, guys. So as you can see, maya maya ito na. And kung anong iniisip nyo, wag naman green minded ang isip. Kidding. So ayun, babalikan ko na naman kasi wala na talaga akong choice, and I will fight for this how long it takes. So it is what it is. So come on, let's go, guys. Kukunin natin yung aking gamit. Kunin ko yung gamit ko. As you can see, thank you for understanding. Kung umabot ka man sa dulo sa video na to, ay thank you talaga sa pag-intindi kung bakit hindi ako nakakapag-content at hindi kayo nakakakuha ng aking ang next upload. Pero itatry ko sa mga susunod na darating na panahon, araw, kung kaya talaga, dahil it is a bigger responsibilities as a college student. Kailangan mong maging more responsible sa pagiging estudyante, dahil dyan malalaman kung papasa ka ba o hindi. At marami pang struggles ang dapat kaharapin ko. So hindi lang paglalaro dapat ang iniisip ko. Naisip ko rin na dapat pagtuunan ko muna ang aking pag-aaral, dahil mas importante talaga ito. Dahil ito lang ang makakatulong sa akin para meron akong kaalaman at meron akong nahawakan na katunayan. So, dito na banda, nagsisimula na ang kalbaryo ko sa pagkuha ng mga at ito na rin, sa wakas, nakakuha na rin ako ng first obsidian ko, guys. As you can see, successful po tayo, and let's go. We did it, but in the hardest way, and congrats to me. Here it is, guys, and if you are still watching, thank you. You are my true supporters, and it is very good way that I can, you know, I am so thankful that you are still here in the end of my video. As you can see, I still get some of obsidian, but luckily I get died again. But that's not, it's not the ending. I will be fighting again, and I will get more obsidian here. So it is what it is, guys. So let's go. And as you can see, I am still, I died 2 times here in finding obsidian at the end of my video. So, as you can see, let's make it happen. That more obsidian for more. While finding for more obsidian, luckily, I see diamond here inside. Found a diamond, so I will get that one. So it is only one. As you can see, I am voice overing it. So it is what it is, guys, and we will get this first obsidian in this cave, because it is two, guys, and I mistaken it. So here it is. Finally, I got a 2 obsidian. I am very happy for getting these 2 obsidian, guys. Very much. Oh my god. So here it is, guys. I have get all so many obsidian. As you can see, I get additional 4 obsidian and getting an obsidian. So it is, I'm truly happy that when I find many obsidian in this cave is the challenge is good and done. So I will be going up in my home, in my base pala, guys. So samahan nyo akong hanapin yung base ko. Let's go. I think dito banda yun. I don't think so, pero nalilito na ako sa cave na to minsan kasi siguro dito. So, yan na lang talaga, guys. Kung nakaabot ka man sa video na to, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you for watching at the end of my video. I know that nakinig ka talaga at pinaringgan mo yung aking storytelling dito and why I can't upload yet. So, see you.